Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on competency based question answer which is belongs to chapter 3. Dear students, let us move forward to today's topic, and this is our lecture number 15. And you will get homework number 9 today, and we will discuss competency based question answer from chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Water for Life. Come to our first question. The first question is, what is water cycle? Explain the process of water cycle including a diagram. Dear students, for this question answer you have to draw the diagram. No need to color it, draw just outline and give the leveling. The answer of the question is water cycle, the process in which water changes into different states and spreads all over the surface and atmosphere is called water cycle. Water in ocean and rivers evaporates and becomes water vapor due to sunlight. As water vapor rises up in the air, it condenses into tiny droplets. These tiny droplets get accumulated to form clouds. Large water droplets then fall back to the earth as rainfall. In Arctic countries, snow also falls from cloud to the earth. Water from the rainfall either it absorbed into the ground or runs off into the rivers. Water absorbed into the ground becomes groundwater. Water that runs off into the river flows to the sea where it evaporates back into the air. A diagram of water cycle is given below. This is the diagram of water cycle. Looks, this is the water body, and from here with the heat, this is the sun's picture. This is blurred. You have to draw here sun. With the heat of sun, the water from the water bodies become water vapor through the evaporation process, and when it goes up, rises up, it become cool, and in the condensation process it becomes tiny droplets of water, and it float with the help of air, and it accumulated water droplets from the cloud. When the cloud becomes heavy, it comes back to the earth ground as the rainfall, and if it is the Arctic country, snowfall also occurs from the cloud, and the rainwater, some portion of rainwater just absorb into the ground, it becomes groundwater, and some portion of the rainwater run into the river again, and again it evaporates, and this circle goes on, and you have to draw this picture for this question answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is, what is water pollution? Write down 4 causes and 3 harmful effects of water pollution. The answer is, water pollution is the addition of harmful substance into water. 4 causes of water pollution are: first one, uses of insecticides in agriculture; second one, dumping wastewater and chemicals from factories; third one, throwing wastes and trash from households; fourth one, bathing domestic animals in river and ponds water. The 3 harmful effects of water pollution are: first one, causes death of aquatic animals; second one, disrupts water food chains; and third one, causes waterborne diseases. Dear students, these causes and effects you can write by yourself by using your own words, and you can give the another points also. Come to next question answer. How can we prove that water is present in the air? We know water can exist in 3 physical states. They are ice, water and vapor. In vapor stage, water remains in atmosphere as gas. By absorbing various natural phenomena and by doing various experiments, we can prove and explain the water is in the air. For this, we need a glass and ice cubes. If we observe from outside, keeping the ice cube inside the glass for a while, we will see the water droplets are formed outside the glass. The surface of the glass has become cold due to the ice cubes. At this the water vapors has condenses into water and stays in the form of water drops on the glass surface. Hence, it is proved that the water is always present in the air. A diagram is given below. That diagram you have to draw with the question answer. This is the glass full with water and with ice cubes. For these ice cubes, the outer surface of the glass become very cold, and when the water vapor of the atmosphere come to touch with this cold surface, that water becomes condenses and it becomes water droplets. That water droplets we observe the outside of the surface of the glass. Now come to the next question. This is question number 4. Every morning Rita waters her rose plant. What percentage of water is there in the plants? Write in 4 sentences for which purpose the plants uses this water. The answer is percentage of water about 90% in the plant of Rita. We know there is 90% of water in every plant they have in their body. This plant uses water for the following purposes. First one, for preparing food. We know the plant make their food by taking the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and with that carbon dioxide they need water that they absorb with their root from the soil, and with the help of the or with the presence of sunlight they prepare their food, and that's why they need water for preparing food. And second one, for absorbing nutrient from the soil. Dear students, the plant can't take the nutrients directly, they need the help of water for absorbing nutrient. Third one, for transporting nutrient to different parts of the plant, and last one, for cooling down the body of the plant during excessive heat. Come to the next question. Meena is suffering from dehydration due to diarrhea. What is the percentage of water in a human body? Write in 4 sentences the role of this water in human body. The answer is human body contains 60 to 70% of water. Significance of this water in human body is given below. First one, helps transport nutrients to different parts of the body. Second one, helps in absorption of nutrients in the body. Third one, helps the body in proper digestion, and last one, keep body temperature normal. Come to the question number 6. While boiling water, Sumona observed that water turnings into vapor. What is the process called? Write some of the changes of the state of water. Come to the answer. When Sumona heated water, it turns into vapor. This process of changing state from liquid to gas is called evaporation. If water is heated or cooled down, it changes its state. For example, if ice is heated, it turns into water. If water is heated, it turns into water vapor. If water vapor is cooled, it condenses again to form water. And last one, if water is cooled, it turns into solid ice. Now come to the last question of this chapter. This is question number 7. What is water purification? Give 4 ways to get safe water from unsafe fresh water. The answer is water purification. Water purification is a treatment of water to make it safe and acceptable for human use. 4 ways to get safe water from unsafe fresh water are given below. First one, filtration. Filtration are the process of filtering water with filter. Water may be cleaned by filtration through a thin cloth or filter. Though we get clean water in this way, it is not free from germs. Now next one is sedimentation, a water treatment process to remove suspended particles such as mud and sand from water is called sedimentation. In this process, impure water of pond or river is poured into a pitcher and left for a while. After a few moments, some particles are settled at the bottom of this will be the bottom of the pitcher, and the water in the upper part becomes clean. Next one is boiling. Boiling is one of the good ways to make it free from germs. Water should be boiled in a sealed pot to kill the germs for more than 20 minutes. And last procedure is purifying water with chemicals. In flood or tidal boat time, we can purify the water by using prescribed amount of some chemicals such as alum, bleaching powders and water purifying tablets. However, we should remember that arsenic contaminated water cannot be purified by this treatment. That means with this 4 treatment we can purify the arsenic contaminated water, and among of these 4 the boiling is the best way to purify the water, and we can make the water free from germs. Dear students, this is your homework number 9. You have to do as your homework competency based question answer 1, 4 and 5 question and answer, and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. Do the SW regularly, submit it regularly, learn all the question answer. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.